viewers, welcome to GMA Gala 2024 and tonight we are with Miss Pinky Amador.
Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat.
So how are you feeling, Miss Pinky?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited to see my castmates inside. This is my second ever GMA Gala ball, and I'm all looking forward to having fun.
So can you tell us about your look po for this evening?
The look, okay. This was conceptualized by my stylist, Bea Balahadia. And the gown, it's medyo Filipiniana kasi yung sleeves, no? But then it's also very modern. It's by Oliver Tolentino, who is a very, very dear friend who has impeccable taste. And as you can see, the fit is always perfect. The bag is by my good friend Callie. I like wearing clothes and accessories by friends because A, of course they're my friends, but B, I also like to help promote their products.
Support.
Yes, to support them because they support me. So parang bigayan lang naman.
That is true. Pero since yung nabanggit nyo na nga po na excited din kayo makita ang inyong mga castmates ng abot kamay na pangarap. So ano pong masasabi nyo na patuloy pa rin po ang suporta ng mga tao sa show?
Naku, napakalaking pasasalamat yan kasi isipin mo nga yung character ko namatay na nga, di ba? Namatay na nung Mayo. Tapos ngayon nabuhay na as Morgana Go na pinanganak sa farm. At wala akong maalala, Your Honor. So, di ba? So sobrang papasalamat na pinabalik nila ako. Sobrang pasasalamat na binigyan nila ako ng pagkakataon and sobrang pasasalamat sa mga netizens, maging yung mga sumasang-ayon or hindi, dahil sobra po siyang nag-trending. In fact, I think that video had the most engagement out of all the engagement of all the videos in the last 2 years. So, yun. Kasi medyo relevant kasi po siya. So,
Yes.
Dahil nga yung new on.
oo. Ay, at saka for me, isang malaking karangalan na sa akin binigay yun. Kasi pwede naman kanino ibigay yun, di ba? But I love playing the character. Moira is so offbeat. Morgana is even worse. Siyempre, meron siyang kunyari mabait siya, di ba? Kasi nagpapanggap siyang ibang tao. Yun.
Pero Miss Pinky, since you mentioned po na may negative din po na reaction since yun nga, ang tagal din na rin ng abot kamay. Ano po yung nafe-feel nyo kapag nakakabasa po kayo ng ganong mga comments?
I think for me, it's all part of it eh. So, hindi puro, parang life, hindi puro magandang mangyayari sa'yo. Siyempre, meron ding masakit, meron hindi ka kahanga-hanga. So, just like life, you have to take it with a grain of salt. You just have to smile. I'm grateful that I have work. I am very grateful that I work with people that I love to be with.
Kung may pisikalan kasi si Moira, yun yung mga inaabangan kay Morgana, tama ba? Ano yung mga aabangang pagiging contracted?
Ayan, meron mga pa-wushu si Madam, di ba?
Wow, nag-level up.
Oo, level up. Nag-wushu na si Madam Morgana. Yun nga lang, wala lang siya maalala, Your Honor. Yun lang. Pero sa mga ibang bagay, may naalala naman siya. Ayan.
Thank you so much po, Miss
Pinky.
Pinky, for dropping by our booth.
Thank you so much. And congratulations po sa PEP.
Thank you so much.